In today's video, we'll be exploring the top 5 best belt sanders available on the market. We've done the hard work for you by researching extensively and going through numerous real user reviews to create this list. If you want more details or the latest pricing on any of the belt sanders mentioned, make sure to check the links in the description below. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon so you never miss out on our latest reviews and recommendations. Now, let's dive in. Number 5, PT Club 125mm Brushless Orbital Sander. The PT Club 125mm Brushless Random Orbital Sander is a powerful tool designed for wood grinding and polishing. Featuring an oversized sealed ball bearing construction, this sander is built for durability and smooth operation. The one-touch electronic speed control switch makes it easy to adjust speeds for different materials. It also boasts a dust-sealed switch and bearing for extended life, plus an efficient through-the-pad dust collection system for cleaner workspaces. At 49% off, it's a premium performer at a budget-friendly price. Number 4, Cordless Belt Sander for MAKITA 18V. This cordless belt sander is perfect for home DIY enthusiasts, especially those already using MAKITA 18V batteries. It features a lock-on button for hands-free operation and a tool-less clamping lever for quick belt changes. The lightweight design minimizes fatigue, making it ideal for extended use. With a dust bag included, it keeps your workspace clean. It offers a solid mix of affordability and user-friendly features, especially at a discounted price of $39.77. Number 3, MAXXT 6-inch Power Sander. The MAXXT 6-inch Power Sander is a top-tier option for both DIYers and industrial users. With a symmetrical design, it's equally comfortable for left or right-handed operation. Built to deliver high-efficiency sanding and extended service life, it includes a porous pad holder for excellent dust removal. Added safety comes from its built-in overload protection. At 28% off, this high-performance sander is a durable and ergonomic choice for demanding tasks. Number 2, Brushless Orbital Sander Universal Voltage. This brushless orbital sander delivers professional-grade performance for various grinding tasks. Its universal voltage, 120V, 240V, makes it suitable for international use, while the wide RPM range, 4,000 to 10,000, ensures precise speed control. It's designed for both DIY and industrial settings, backed by a 6-month warranty. Whether you're refinishing wood or polishing surfaces, this sander delivers consistent, powerful performance at a great value. Number 1, HYVST Brushless Orbital Sander. The HYVST Brushless Orbital Sander excels at detailed sanding, especially in corners, cars, and wood surfaces. Its variable speed control, 4,000 to 10,000 RPM, allows for fine adjustments, while the ergonomic design offers comfort during long jobs. The low-profile build minimizes counterforce, improving balance and control. With a high-efficiency brushless motor, it maintains speed even under load. A reliable, pro-grade tool for precision work, now at a 16% discount.